In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a MailerLite account, from the very first visit to the website all the way through to accessing your fully set up dashboard. MailerLite is one of the most user-friendly and affordable email marketing platforms out there, perfect for beginners and small businesses who want to build their email list and send professional newsletters without a steep learning curve. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First things first. Open up your web browser of choice and head over to the MailerLite website. When the homepage loads, take a moment to just look around and get a feel for what the platform offers. You'll see mentions of their drag-and-drop email builder, landing pages, automations, and various pricing plans. This quick scan is actually useful because it confirms that MailerLite is indeed the right tool for your needs, whether you're planning simple newsletter blasts or more complex automated campaigns. Once you're comfortable, go ahead and locate the Sign Up or Get Started button. It's usually prominently placed at the top right corner of the page. Click that button, and you'll be taken directly to the account creation form. You'll now be prompted to enter your email address. This should be a valid email address that you have full access to, because MailerLite will need to send you a verification link to confirm that you are the owner of this inbox. I recommend using a business email or a dedicated personal email that you check regularly, not a shared or temporary address. After typing your email, you'll need to create a secure password. A strong password is essential for protecting your account and your subscriber data. Aim for a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Something like My Newsletter 2024 works well. Write this password down somewhere safe or use a password manager. You'll need it again when you log in. Next, you will see the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. I know it's tempting to skip over these, but do take a few seconds to at least glance through the main points, especially the sections about spam compliance and data handling. MailerLite has a strong reputation for being compliant with laws like GDPR and CAN-SPAM, which is good news for you and your subscribers. Once you've had a look, check the required agreement boxes. Then, click the Create Account or Sign Up button. MailerLite will now create your initial profile, and within moments you'll see a message letting you know that a verification email is on its way. Now, go open the inbox for the email address you just used and look for a message from MailerLite. It might take a minute or two to arrive, so be patient. If you don't see it in your main inbox, check your spam or promotions folder just in case. Open that email and click the verification link inside it. This step is crucial because it proves you control that email address and prevents someone from signing up with your email without your permission. Once you've clicked the link, you'll be redirected back to MailerLite, and you can now proceed to log in with your email and password. After logging in, MailerLite will walk you through a brief setup wizard. The first section asks for your business information, your business name, website URL if you have one, industry, and business size. Don't worry if you're just starting out and don't have a website yet. You can simply leave that field blank or enter a placeholder. Being honest about your industry helps MailerLite tailor some suggestions for you later. Next, you'll be asked to specify your primary use case. This is where you tell MailerLite how you plan to use their platform, whether it's for email newsletters, marketing campaigns, lead generation, or customer communications. Choose the option that best fits your main goal, as this will shape your default templates and settings. Then, you'll need to add your physical address. This is not optional for most email marketing platforms because of anti-spam laws like CAN-SPAM in the US and similar regulations elsewhere. Your physical address must appear in every marketing email you send, so it's best to enter your legitimate business or mailing address now. After that, you'll describe how you collect your subscribers. Are they coming from website sign-up forms, customer checkout pages, event registrations, or maybe even in-person sign-ups? Choose the most relevant option, as this helps MailerLite understand your list-building process and offer applicable advice. Finally, you'll be presented with the account review form, which may include a few additional questions. These are designed to ensure the platform remains high quality and compliant. Answer them honestly, double-check that all your information is accurate, and then click Submit to send your account for review. At this stage, MailerLite may take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours to review your account, depending on the details you provided and their current workload. Don't worry, this is a standard process, not a rejection. Keep an eye on your email inbox for an approval update from MailerLite. If they request any additional information, simply follow the instructions in the email. Once you receive the approval notification, you can log in again to access your dashboard. The dashboard is your command center, where you'll see an overview of your subscriber count, recent campaign performance, and quick links to create new campaigns or forms. Take a few minutes to explore the left-hand navigation menu, where you'll find sections like subscribers, campaigns, forms, automations, and websites. Now, let's complete your profile settings so everything looks professional from day one. Go into your account settings and add your company logo, sender name, sender email address, and your correct time zone. The sender name and email are what recipients see when they receive your emails, so make sure they're recognizable and trustworthy. Setting your time zone ensures that any scheduled sends happen at the right local time. With that done, your MailerLite account is officially ready to go. You can now start building subscriber lists, designing email campaigns, creating sign-up forms, and setting up automations. You've successfully created your MailerLite account from scratch. To wrap up, you now have a fully functional MailerLite account, and you understand exactly why each setup step matters. From verification for security, to your physical address for legal compliance, to your profile settings for brand consistency. A great next step is to create your first subscriber group and design a simple welcome email to test everything out. If you found this tutorial useful, consider saving it for reference, and feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to set up an account or guide someone else through the process. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.